Ladies and gentlemen, today I invite you to embark on a transformative journey, a journey where you embrace the boundless potential that surrounds you and act from a place of abundance. Imagine for a moment that you are living in a world where every desire is fulfilled, where every need is met, and where opportunities flow effortlessly to you. This vision is not just a distant dream, but a reality you can experience right now. Start by immersing yourself in the feeling of abundance. Close your eyes and picture the life you desire, filled with prosperity and joy. Feel the warmth of success, the comfort of security, and the thrill of limitless possibilities. Let these feelings become your new reality, for it is through this emotional connection that you begin to shape your world. As you go through your day, act from this place of abundance. Let every decision and action be guided by the certainty that you are surrounded by plenty. This doesn't mean waiting for external conditions to change, it means living as if they have already changed. When you engage with the world from this perspective, you invite more of the same into your life. Gratitude is your ally on this journey. Be thankful for the abundance that is already present, both visible and hidden. By acknowledging and appreciating what you have, you open yourself to receive even more. Your inner dialogue should reflect this prosperity, speaking to yourself with confidence and assurance that abundance is your natural state. Consistency is key. Make it a habit to envision and feel abundance regularly. Your imagination is a powerful tool. Use it to reinforce the reality you wish to create. Assume success in all your endeavors and expect it with unwavering faith. This assumption aligns your actions with your desires, making the realization of your goals almost inevitable. Revise any thoughts or beliefs that suggest limitation or scarcity. Transform these limiting scripts into affirmations of abundance. Each time you encounter a thought of lack, replace it with a thought of plenty. This mental revision is not just a technique, it is a way of realigning your entire experience with the abundance you seek. Acting as if you are already surrounded by abundance changes your vibration and attracts more of it into your life. Trust in this process and let your life be a testament to the power of living from a place of abundance. Remember, you are not merely imagining a better life, you are stepping into it. Embrace the abundance that is all around you and watch as it transforms your reality in ways you've always dreamed of. Imagine yourself standing at the threshold of a life filled with abundance. Close your eyes and begin to create a vivid mental image of this reality. Picture every detail with clarity and precision. See the vibrant colors of your surroundings, the luxurious textures of the objects that signify your success, and the comforting ambience of your prosperous environment. Envision the joy and satisfaction in your life as you walk through your day. Feel the emotions that come with this abundant life. Allow the sensations of fulfillment, joy, and gratitude to wash over you as if they are already present in your current experience. Sense the confidence that comes from knowing you have everything you need and more. Feel the freedom to pursue your passions without fear or hesitation, knowing that resources and opportunities are always available to you. As you immerse yourself in this mental visualization, engage all your senses. Hear the sounds that accompany your abundant life, perhaps the laughter of loved ones, the rustle of leaves in a tranquil garden, or the hum of a thriving business. Smell the aromas that signify comfort and success, whether it's the scent of a freshly brewed cup of coffee in your dream home or the invigorating fragrance of the ocean breeze at your favorite vacation spot. Taste the flavors of abundance, imagining yourself enjoying delicious meals that nourish your body and soul. Touch the objects around you, feeling their texture and weight, symbolizing the tangible aspects of your abundant life. Whether it's the smooth leather of a new car, the soft fabric of designer clothes, or the cool surface of a marble countertop, let these tactile sensations anchor your visualization in reality. Hold this vivid mental image in your mind's eye, returning to it regularly throughout your day. Use it as a touchstone to remind yourself of the abundance that surrounds you and to reinforce your belief that this reality is within your grasp. The more detailed and immersive your visualization, the more powerful it becomes as a tool for transforming your perception and ultimately your life. By consistently practicing this imaginative visualization, you are training your mind to recognize and attract abundance. You are aligning your thoughts and feelings with the reality you wish to create, making it easier for opportunities to manifest in your life. Remember, the clearer and more emotionally charged your mental images, the more effectively they can shape your external world. Immerse yourself in the profound sense of fulfillment that comes from having achieved your deepest desires. Imagine the joy, the relief, and the satisfaction that accompany the realization of your dreams. Let these emotions wash over you, filling every part of your being with a warm, glowing sense of contentment. Begin by recalling a time when you felt truly fulfilled. Perhaps it was a moment of personal triumph, a heartfelt connection with a loved one, or a significant accomplishment at work. Remember the specific emotions you experienced: happiness, pride, gratitude, and peace. Now, amplify those feelings and imagine them multiplied by the achievement of your current desires. Feel the excitement and pride that come with knowing you have succeeded. Visualize yourself basking in the glow of your accomplishments, surrounded by the tangible and intangible rewards of your efforts. Picture the smiles and congratulations from those around you, the recognition and respect you receive, and the internal validation that you have done something meaningful. Let this feeling of fulfillment infuse your current experience. As you go about your day, carry this sense of achievement with you. Notice how it changes your posture, your demeanor, and your interactions with others. When you feel fulfilled, you exude confidence and positivity, attracting even more opportunities and successes into your life. Imagine the peaceful satisfaction that comes from knowing you are exactly where you need to be. There is no rush, no anxiety, only a deep, abiding sense of contentment. You have everything you need, and everything is unfolding perfectly. This serenity becomes your new baseline, a steady undercurrent of well-being that supports you in every moment. Allow the feeling of fulfillment to permeate your thoughts and actions. When you encounter challenges, face them with the calm assurance that you have already succeeded. Let this inner state of completeness guide your decisions, inspire your creativity, and enhance your resilience. As you embrace the emotions associated with fulfillment, you are not just dreaming of a better future, you are bringing those feelings into the present. This emotional shift creates a powerful resonance with the reality you wish to manifest, making it easier for your desires to materialize in your life. Step into the mindset of living in the end, where your goals and dreams are already a part of your reality. This involves adopting a mental state and behavior that reflect the accomplishment of your desires. Imagine yourself as the person who has already achieved what you seek, and begin to act and think from this perspective. Visualize your goals as already completed. Picture yourself living the life you desire with all the details in place. See the surroundings, the people, and the circumstances that come with this new reality. Feel the emotions that accompany this achievement: joy, pride, confidence, and peace. Let these feelings become a constant part of your daily experience. Begin to think like the person who has already succeeded. What beliefs does this person hold? What thoughts occupy their mind? Align your thinking with these new beliefs and perspectives. Replace doubts and fears with certainty and optimism. When faced with decisions, consider how the successful version of yourself would respond, and let this guide your actions. Act as if your goals are already a part of your life. This doesn't mean pretending or ignoring reality, but rather integrating the behaviors and attitudes that come with success into your daily routine.